Right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are back again in a video reaction. As you can see, this post made by our brother Drake, and he says something very, very important. He's not the only one. Many people are sharing this post from Sonny Akparawa. All right, you may be wondering what this post is all about. What is he talking about here? Just pay close attention as you can see here on the screen. Sonny Akparawa made this post with this map. These people they are very, very fun, honestly. Now listen, you may not understand what we are seeing here, right? Some of you do, but let's go straight to the point. This is Sonawa, his post, and he says something here. As you can see here, let me take it back again. Okay, now you can see this. Simon Akparawa, the Biafran regional government is hereby established and unveiled. Our liberation of the United States of Biafra is the most. Okay, I don't understand what I mean by that, but let's take it again. The Biafran regional government is hereby established and unveiled. Okay, that's full stop, right? Our liberation of the United States of Biafra is a must. But the picture did not capture everything. Now, what do you think he mean by established and unveiled? Remember, Master Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, have set everything in place. Like the template, everything has been established. Now, when you come closer to this write-up, although the camera is not capturing it properly, what you can see here, he just is a names of the is a northern region. Northern region is red, okay. Then southern region is green, right? That is here. You can see here now green. This is not red. Then when you come here again, you see this one, eastern region, yellow. Then you come here, western region, blue. Then you come here, central region, black, right? This is from Sonny Akparawa, and the map is here. This is the map. He put it there. You can see it now, this one, and western region and whatever. This map is, according to Sonny Akparawa, is for Biafra. According to what he said here, he said the Biafran regional government is hereby established, meaning that they just established it now, not from the 1 p.m. established and unveiled. They have established it and unveiled. Your question is, who are you, Sonak Parawa and Fallback Republic, to decide to change the map that Biafran have unanimously agreed to do with self-referendum? The referendum was conducted under PM, not under you, not you on the Nkere. Okay, now let us go to the message of Drake before we move to another and a kind of associate post from other Biafrans, throwing more light on what I just presented to you. Now Drake said, Biafrans, Akparawa and his as a frivolous criminal fallback gang at it again. These pictures and all those involved in spreading it is fraudulent. Disregard and delete it anywhere you see it. These are the criminals working, the kind of criminals working. Dr. Ngosora DPM and CS. Now, this is not about Ngosora and Ngosora DPM and CS. Because many people actually believe that they're talking about our freedom or USB government simply because of Ngosora or because of USB government and all that. It's about you. You yourself, listen to me. You are the one, you are doing that for yourself. Let us be honest. CS has been she has been eating before the meeting. You know what I mean by that. She has been eating before the meeting. So she's not actually making a dime from you. Because some of you actually believe, oh, she's CS, everybody want to contribute to money, but she don't need your money. whether you like it or not. She don't need your money, just like every other cabinet members, professionals. Mention one assignment for you. Mention one person in the cabinet of United States of Biafra that is jobless. Powerful assignment, isn't it? Mention one person that is holding position in USB government today that is begging or jobless or that don't have identity or have AKA before his or her name, AKA Isaiah Young, but you choose to call people's name before adding AKA. AKA simply means also known as, like your name is Okeke Okafor, aka Ogbuagu. My name is uh, James Ugu or James Amadi or James Sofia and aka Ojimote Mogo. You understand? But in fallback, you see somebody, what's your name? My name is Ojimote Mogo, aka Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. If you doubt me, go to the swearing in inauguration of my mother boss Justice Department of Nigeria, according to Madam Munena, the woman that they call Madam Munena. He gave him the name, not me. Don't come after me. I'm not the one that gave the name. Okay. So now, from Wada, our own sister, Ijoma Biafra, made this post as well, pointing hands at the same issue. Let's open it properly. The same issue. I think Ijoma's own, this our own seems to be more clear than our brother Drake. And you can see here map of the five regions and 40 states of Biafran Confederation. Okay. Oh, you guys know what is confederation? I thought you said that decentralization is a method, a tactics of disunity. Now, listen. Here is northern region, like I told you before. Igala State, all these names here, Ndoka State, Ogoja State, and all that. So these are the names of the state that fall in the northern region. Okay, according to the new map they decided to create to help them. I don't know what they want to achieve on that, but time will tell. So as you can see, it has been crossed and labeled fake. Why? Because we have original one, not this one. Let us go there. Here is the one from United States of Biafra under PM. So you can see the name. Look at it here. Biafran Republic Government in Exile. So it's not a USB, meaning that this map we are seeing here has been created by PM, and they decided to change it and twist everything here. In our own is the play they show. Now you go to confirm. Now listen, here is the map. Okay. Some of you say, yeah, but it's the same thing. You can see. No, it's not. And we're going to go back to square one, which is the way our sister posted it. Now here is the two shape. The shape of this map and this one, are they the same? Are they the same? The answer is 100% no. But guess what? People that is behind this new shape of new map here are the one to quickly tell you, oh, Nkosara Fulani is fighting against everything that the PM established. And some of you say, hey, it's true, women. My first said that you should not fight, you should not give women a chance. Hey, I don't know. Some of you, of carriers, some of you don't even know what Ofo represent. Ofo and Igbo did not tell you should see PM, you should put on a woman's body for you for a photo for we get level. Did you see anything like that? Many things that you may, if you pay attention, you will begin to, you will reject fallback group the more. Few things are these lies, which is one of my own major concern. I don't care in some of these things, some of the things, but you see this issue of lying to our people, because the reason why we are going back and forward, confusion everywhere, is one person sitting on his own comfort zone, dishing out lie like they're dishing Christmas rice. Do you understand? Look at it. Republic of Biafran states. Each state we have 15 local government areas, I believe, and each local government will have 5 districts. This is from United States, from Briggy, original Briggy under PM. I'm not talking about fallback Briggy because there are two. You know, they're quick. They are quick to give people name. Look at like as you can see here from PM. That this one is from PM. If you doubt, check the label here. This is a logo. Biafra, look at it, Biafra Republic government in its official one, original one. And many of you that follow PM can testify to this, that this is the real deal, the original one. Somebody somewhere, and these are people, the same gang that quickly decided to throw, try to inaugurate a new leader when PM was, when they're busy telling that PM is on a national assignment. You said PM was on national assignment, but behind the scene, they are busy telling you, digging information out on how to sideline COS and put Nkere to become leader overnight, without even telling you that PM is nowhere to be found. Now, another person made a post. I don't know this, our brother Johnson Ugochukwu. Ugochukwu Daniel, credit to you. I'm now on your platform based on this same issue. He says, the map below is blatant lie and must not be taken seriously. Get it? These are people following PMO. It is being showcased by enemies of Biafra, being used by the Nigerian government to sabotage the birth of our new nation. The United States of Biafra disregard it, and those pushing this evil agenda, saboteurs. So, this to tell you, so don't tell me, oh, it's not true. This is Akparawa's handle. You can go there, it's there. This one is they play the show now, and they will be the first to tell you, do you guys are supporting the evil? I mean, making can look at any album I don't one. You see why he's such a who? Why telling you that we have to talk about her, and I will key for happy Kotambe. I got calling Beniana. Of course, each time we are talking about people that are fighting the structure and everything, you have to mention Numbe. We cannot take it away. You cannot take it away. And why is such a somehow is involved in this? How? Because she told us that PM told you to fall back. Everything about these people are questionable, honestly, and I don't know why some of you are still contemplating on. You see clearly what is going on, yet you are still trying to, the structure that PM made from the account to the structure of their cabinet now, everything are not what PM put in place. When PM was here, Eunice BP was not in the cabinet. When PM was here, the one called Betty Ford, was not in the cabinet. They may say, oh, he's not in the cabinet, but she's in the media. You get the point? She's not in the media. And the Eunice BP happened to be one of the critics of PM's activities in the past. And she's the one telling you how PM is doing in the hands of the in detention somewhere in Finland and all that. All this nonsense must be. You need to put a stop on that. And please remember to like the video, subscribe to this channel. I just want to make quick update about this because I know some of you may see it on S. Many of us are not on S, so that's why you need to bring it on YouTube so that you that are not on S will try your best and to relate. So and credit to Drake and all of you that dictate this on time because honestly, I don't see that coming. And how our sister Ijoma put it here is best, just like Drake as well, but combining both of them together so that you will not say, okay, how can I see the one that PM made? Look at it before you're on your screen. This one is from PM. This one, we don't practice Nigerian style, fake Akparawa. Now, why do PM did not mention northern this and eastern this and regional this and regional that? These are people trying to copy Nigeria. They are telling you that they want to leave Nigeria and all that, but they are copying Nigerian style. At the same time, like what Ijoma said here, we don't practice Nigeria. According to what she said, you can read it here. We don't practice Nigerian style. You understand? Because what the lineup here is Nigerian style, nothing more, nothing different. God bless you, my people, for watching this video. And please do me a favor, like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice so that people who are still contemplating may somehow get sense. If that is, if it is possible, some of us are head bent, with lies, and they're not gonna repent anytime soon. See you again, and please, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. God bless you.